Good guys, today we're going hopefully back at the dock. I don't know, I gotta get some more bait in my refrigerator. So we are going in my refrigerator to get some more cold bait. Then we're gonna try a little bit of bacon. Try like a little sliced bacon. Got some bacon here, like slice right here. Yeah. But we're going down on that dock. You know, it's really how my career is probably going to end up starting. Because I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm going to start with that small stuff and then go bigger and stuff and see how it goes. And, okay, but if you haven't already, guys, hit that subscribe button. That's going to help out a lot. I make videos every day, guys. Every day. And I'm starting on making on some shorts. Soon. So hopefully that goes well and stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to be doing this. But I got my little block of bacon here. Loaded it up. I come down here. Oh, cloudy. Hopefully that doesn't give it too much of an effect. It shouldn't. That would catch some bluegill and stuff. Maybe some turtle. I don't know. We're just hoping to catch some big fish. You know. Yeah, I got 2 poles. Should go well. But pretty soon tonight, I think I'm going to be getting my 4-wheeler fixed. So I'm going to probably film, if you see this on the day today, I filmed it or something. I'm making another video today since I'm getting my 4-wheeler fixed. I want to make another video. Or here at the dock. Earn up my real. Oh God, do I have something? Oh gosh, moss. Okay, I got everything of moss. Oh, camera got wet. Hopefully it don't affect y'all. I'm not good at this. You know, like I'm saying, it's a new time thing. Now I know some people eat turtle fish with bacon. They call it that. They say it works great and stuff, and little Wiggle will eat it. So let's give this a go. They most of the time use treble hooks. So there you go, the bacon and treble hooks. We're just gonna get a little slice. Just under that. Got me a long little slice right there. I'm just gonna. And they said it stays on the hook really well. So hopefully it does today. I'm gonna get that pink piece. I think it's gonna be the main piece that's gonna stay on the boost. There we go. I got it on a hook here. I'm just gonna drop it on down. And hope for the best. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, darn. Stole my bait. Maybe it ain't the best for bait. Like sometimes, who knows, guys. We're just gonna give me another little piece of this bacon. I'm just ripping it long pieces. I'm hoping for the best, and we're trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of the month. We can 50 to 100 subscribers. Oh, I will. Let's say we'll do something big for YouTube. We'll do a big YouTube channel. I'll spend some money. Okay. I'll do something that y'all want to see. Alright, I'll just type in the comments if we hit it, what y'all want to see, and we'll do it. We'll make it happen. I'll try to make it happen. I'll see if I can read. If y'all say unspeakable or something, I might not be able to do hit unspeakable, typical gamer or anything like that. I may not be able to reach out to them, okay? Because being a small YouTuber is really hard. But if I had to pick one YouTubers to meet, easily unspeakable and typical gamer. You know? I don't know how. Okay, they're taking the bait really easy. Yeah, they're not supposed to be taking it easy. This would be hard to get off. Oh no, we got a turtle. Right sure we got one coming in. Here, waiting for this delicious bacon. Mm. Mm. Okay, I think I might need smaller pieces. I don't know. I'll get my other pole. Has a different type of hook on it. Hopefully that will be. Hopefully this is it. Okay, got it. Okay, ooh. Tough. Gotta go ball on the hook right here. Drop a straight down. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. Go, buckaroo. Oh, God, get him in. Okay, there we go, chat. There we go. Sorry I haven't been talking. But there she is. We caught one. Took me, what is my third video? Snap. Well, actually, it's supposed to be my fourth, but yeah. Look at there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but beautiful bluegill. We're gonna. He seems pretty healthy, guys. Looks pretty healthy. Oh no, it ain't. Is that here? Yes, I know. Y'all get that off. Me too. Don't want mommy. And I still got my bait. Yeah, I ain't eating him. I don't feel like cleaning him. But next summer, I'll be definitely eating them. For sure. On the hook. Still got my bait. Let's go. I'm gonna drop this back down there. Oh, we had him. Well, I want to plan something big if we can hit 100 subs if you watch this. If we can hit 100 subs, 50 subs, some subscribers, we will throw something big. I'm hoping to be able to make some merch too, merchandise. Thinking of like hoodies and stuff because winter's coming up. But I want to see by winter if we can hit some subscribers. Maybe. Let's go. I'll throw a party. Party with my friends maybe. They might come over. We'll put it on video. So nice and fun. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all want to see. You're trying to catch a fish. Trying to catch a fish, Anthony. Okay, we gotta rehook. Comment, leave a comment in the comments section down below if y'all like going fishing. Okay? Leave it down below. So, and also, if y'all do like to fish, leave a comment down below what you like to fish for. Like catfish, saltwater fish, maybe freshwater fish. So we got a dollar bill. And a little bit's coming after, guys. Sorry. Just realized that. So basically, we just now got internet. So I've been doing a lot more gaming inside and stuff. Okay, let's make sure I was hitting bites, guys. You know, bites. I'm still getting bites. Yeah, it's safe to say they like bacon. that's good. It's just something else that I like, you know. It is cold. It's getting a little cold. It's getting windy. Oh, we ain't gonna have a hurricane. It's hurricane season, guys. It's hurricane season. Come on, baby, come on. Oh God! They give me a bed. I got another little piece of bacon. What I'm gonna put on there. Brush the piece to make sure they. There you go. Right. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do this. Actually, I gotta go check the mail, guys. Let's go check the mail. Oh, God. But I'm probably gonna double film, so I might have to end this video pretty soon, guys. Just giving y'all a little piece of warning. Sorry, my camera quality's so bad, guys. It's the sun, and I don't really have a good camera. What time is it? Hopefully, pretty soon. But yeah, come on with me, guys, to go check the mail. That was the most Dora the Explorer thing. Let's go. Oh my God. We got my other one down over there. I don't know. Over there's my other one. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's over there. Right there. It's pretty hard to do this stuff right. Yeah. Not really have an actual camera. Plus trying to post stuff and then editing. Yeah. It's a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of work. Yeah. I want to be trying to do gaming videos. Leave in the comments down below if I should make Fortnite content. I'm trying to. I'm kind of stuck in a tree right now. What I'm doing here doesn't hurt. It hurts me. Alright, let's go. Alright, I want to do something. Should we go in the woods? Let's go in the woods, guys. Never mind. Look at them thorns. There's some thorns in there. Oh, God. I stepped on a. I hope. Maybe we'll see a turtle. Guys, maybe we'll see a turtle. Okay. So my package is supposed to be coming in today. So it's a 4-wheeler bit. So I can fix my 4-wheeler tonight. So yeah, it's a long walk to get there, guys. Oh, like about half a mile. No, not even half a mile. I'll take about 30 minutes to walk through. Quarter of a mile. Yeah. And this is the block, the neighborhood that I'm in. It's about a couple miles. So yeah. Oh, 4-wheeler goes pretty fast. So I'll be cruising down the state road all day. See if we can find anything tonight. Have to get the light bulbs fixed. Stuff, but yeah. We have made it down here. Yeah. Yeah, my God. Hang on, guys. Yeah. That's getting a little bit of mouth. Yep. Okay, guys. Alright. Vámonos, amigos. Let's go. I got my foil orbit, guys. Look at it. Well, of course it's not on the package, but yeah. Yeah, I got it in. Ah. I'm gonna show you all the details though. Yeah, I'll tell you all that. I'll be buying too much stuff on our account there. Yeah. That's why we cannot show you. No. Hang on, I tried to do something. Oh, I dropped the mail. Drop the mail. Drop the mail. I got her mail. Sorry. Okay. There's her bike. It works. I might give it away to someone. It does. You might want to get a new back tire though. If you do. Maybe change out the handlebars too. Yeah. And yeah, it has a little bit of problems, but I can still ride it. I mean, that's the main thing, right? Nice. Now, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you're good, and I'll see you on the next one.